Hey guys, welcome back. So we are going to be looking at the Laravel 13 with a Livewire 4 crash course. So it's basically a Livewire 4 crash course, right? So I've been wanting to do this video for a really, really long time. I have been so busy, but hopefully today, you know, yeah. So I have a fresh Laravel application. You can see it's a live Laravel 13 application. And if we go to the code, you can see this is just it. So I'm going to clear all of this out, and let's have a clear yeah. So we have this, and we're gonna say hello world, right? I'm assuming you already know how to use Laravel, so that's what I'm actually going into uh Livewire. All right, so this is hello world. And if we go to the code, where is it? If we go to the code here, I just refresh, and you can see we have hello world here. All right, so now we want to pull in Livewire, right? So we're gonna pull in Livewire. How do we pull in Livewire? Go to fresh terminal here. Right, so now to pull in Livewire, we have to say use the command anyways. Composer require Livewire slash Livewire. Right? This is it. This composer require Livewire. Right? So it's gonna pull in Livewire into our application. So I'll get back to you once it is done. Although it shouldn't take time, but I'll get back to you once it's done. Okay, so you can see that Livewire has been installed right now, and I'll just scroll down so you can see. I actually increase the size of my the font, so hopefully you can see it better. You can see the Livewire has been installed, and just for confirmation, you can see that we have version 4.2.4, right? And I actually checked for Alpine, but there wasn't any Alpine, so I went on and installed Alpine. This is the command for Alpine. Yeah, Alpine is installed, so we are technically good to go with Livewire. But just some housekeeping that we need to do currently. So firstly, I need to once you install Livewire, you need to put in um the tags for Livewire. So basically, wait, at okay, yeah. So basically, you say at Livewire. Sorry, yeah, it's Livewire styles. So Livewire styles and Livewire scripts. So I'm going to put this at the body at the end here, and I'll say, oh, sorry, Livewire scripts. All right, good. So just injecting a bit of a Livewire to the page that we are on. Okay. So if we still run this on the browser, you see that it's actually still the same thing. So I'm going to reload. So it's still the same thing. We haven't really changed anything right now. But um we want to now make this add a Livewire component, right? So since the beginning of Livewire, there have been some changes. Obviously, this is version 4. So now you have multi-path location, and then you have a single location. That's an inline location. So it depends on how you want to structure. But for the sake of this video, if I make a change, I'll show you how I do that. All right. So this is just an introduction. So to do that, I'm going to say PHP, sorry, PHP. I hope I remember the command because it's been a while. All right, so I just want to clear that. Move this down a bit. Okay, so PHP, sorry, PHP artisan livewire make. What do we want to make? Let's say hello world. Is that fine? Oh, hello world. Yeah. All right. Hello world. So it created just one application for us, which is no. So because this is not a full page application, which we'll also get to subsequently in the video. So Livewire by default with version 4, it will create single components for you. So that is inline components. I'll just show it to you. They create inline components for you where you have your class at the top and then you have your front end all in the same page, right? So it creates that for you. So this is how version 4 works. Okay, so I want to now take this hello world, right? I'll just cut it and I want to put it here. You know, I'll put it here, right? And I'm going to call this hello world now directly in my application. How do you call that again? I think it's Livewire. Yeah, I think it's Livewire Hello World, if I'm not mistaken. So bear with me. It's been a while. There's some things might not come to me as let me see what the location is at. So this is actually here inside components. Okay, so view, so I can say components and dot hello world. So we'll try this. If it doesn't work, I'll add components to it here and then let's see if that will work. So I can just come here and do that. So okay, good stuff. So it works. So just to be sure that it works again, I would just change it and say Fred. I hope there's a Fred watching. Just let me know where you're watching from. So I'll say hello Fred, and then you can say sure enough. Let me increase the size. So you see hello Fred, right? Good stuff. So you see Livewire is easy, you know. We're getting there slowly, we're getting there. So let's say if we want to inject something into, let's say we don't want to use Fed, right? For version 4, we could easily have, if it was a multi-file location, like a full page application, would just pass it to the render method, but we'll still get there, like I said. But currently what I can do is just create a variable and say something like let me say public. So I'm just defining a variable, right? I'm saying, and then I'll say Fred, right? So here I can just come and use the blade syntax and say Fred. I hope that makes sense. So I'm gonna refresh it, and you're still gonna see Fred. And just to be sure, I'm gonna change it to Kelvin. I'm gonna change it to Kelvin, and refresh, and now you can see Kelvin. So this is Livewire in a nutshell, right? It easily ties your back end to your front end easily. So would continue in the next episode. I hope you found this one enjoyable. I'm just giving you a breakdown to Livewire. So I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.